Nutrition labels on the packaging. Nutrition labels include information on energy, fat, carbohydrate, sugar, protein, and salt. It may also provide additional information about certain nutrients, such as vitamins. All nutrition information is provided per 100 grams, and sometimes per portion. Food is high in fats if there's more than 17.5 grams of fat per 100 grams, and low in fat if there's 3 grams of fat or less per 100 grams. Food is high in saturated fat if there's more than 5 grams of saturated fat per 100 grams, and low in saturated fat if there's 1.5 grams of saturated fat or less per 100 grams. Food is high in sugar if there's more than 22.5 grams of total sugar per 100 grams, and low in sugar if there's 5 grams of total sugar or less per 100 grams. Food is high in salt if there's more than 1.5 grams of salt per 100 grams, and low in salt if there's 0.3 grams of salt or less per 100 grams. Many food manufacturers display nutritional information on the front of the products by using red, amber, and green color coding. Red means high, amber means medium, green means low. This is very useful when you want to compare different food products immediately. If you buy a food with all or mostly green on the label, it means it's a healthier choice. This channel is made to help you know your body better. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos in the future about your body.